Telling the time in English is a fundamental skill that everyone should master. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll start with the basics, telling the hour on the clock. When the minute hand points to 12, we say it's o'clock. For instance, if the hour hand is on 3, we say it's 3 o'clock. Let's practice that together. If I say the hour hand is on 7, what do we say? That's right, it's 7 o'clock. Now let's move on to halves and quarters. When the minute hand points to 6, it means it's halfway through the hour. We say it's half past hour. So, if the hour hand is between 3 and 4, we say it's half past 3. If the minute hand points to 3, we call it a quarter past the hour. For example, if the hour hand is on 4, we say it's a quarter past 4. And if the minute hand points to 9, we say it's a quarter to next hour. So, it's a quarter to 5 if the hour hand is on 4. Next, let's learn how to read the minutes. If the minute hand is pointing to a number between 1 and 12, you simply add that many minutes to the hour. For example, if it's 3:10, you say, it's 10 past 3. When the minute hand is between 12 and 6, we say the minutes are past the hour. So, 3:20 is 20 past 3. But when the minute hand is between 6 and 12, we count down to the next hour. For instance, 3:50 is 10 to 4. Now, let's talk about the 12-hour and 24-hour formats. In English, we commonly use the 12-hour clock, saying AM for morning times and PM for afternoon and evening times. For example, 8 AM is in the morning, while 8 PM is in the evening. In some cases, like military time or travel schedules, you might see the 24-hour clock. Here, 8 AM is 8 o'clock, and 8 PM becomes 2000 hours. If you see a time like 1800 hours, just subtract 12 to get the PM time, which is 6 PM. Finally, let's put everything together with some real-life examples. I'll give you a time, and you'll say it in English. Ready? What about 3:15? It's a quarter past 3. Now, how about 5:45? Yes, it's a quarter to 6. And if it's 7:30 in the morning? Correct. It's half past 7 AM. Now you have the tools to confidently tell the time in English, whether it's using a clock, half past, or the 24-hour format. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural.